Yeah. That's good, Kuya. Okay, are you ready for our final dance? Our favorite dance is Lala Chan. Alright, Kuya Mike, music please. Hands up. And slowly down. And jump. Jump. One. Let's go. Side. Side and more. One more. Jump. Jump. More. Let's go. Side. Side and skipping time. Shake your hands. And wave. Other side. And shoulder. And down. And jump. Big wave. Big circle. Finish. March. And jump. Wave. And point to the right. Point to the left. And bend your knees. Deep and stomp your feet. And swing your arm. Swing your arm. Swing your arm. And swing your arm. And shake your hands. One more. Shake your hands. And smile. Wow! Ayan, sinishare na tayo ng ating guardians and parents. Very good. Alright, kids, sit down po tayo. Ayan,